Hello, folks. Is it time to clear out your hazardous waste storage room? Sure. You're a condominium manager. You manage a residential high-rise, a commercial property, an industrial facility, whatever. And you got one of those rooms where you just put whatever it is that you don't know how to get rid of into. And it's in cans and totes and bottles and drums and whatever. And you put it in there and some of it's empty, but you know that the container has like a glaze over it that's probably hazardous, or you have some acids, or you have some oil paints, or some paint thinners, or whatever's in that can, and you don't know how to get rid of it. You got to call Waste Diversion. You go to waste-diversion.ca and we'll send someone down to do an inventory for you. Are you afraid of how much it's going to cost? Oh yeah, cost is an issue, so we'll come there and do an inventory for you. Are you uncertain how to manage your industrial products at end of life? We know how to do it. So we'll know what goes where, how to move it, who needs to move it, how it needs to be moved, because a lot of this stuff needs to be packed up into lab packs and put on a manifest so that if the truck flips over on the highway or whatever, the emergency response team knows that there's hazardous material on there. So get that room cleaned out and don't mix stuff all together. Let us come down and sort it all out for you. Give us a call. Go to our website, waste-diversion.ca, and get your hazardous waste storage room cleared out today. That's waste-diversion.ca, especially if you're in Ontario. Boom. So check it out, folks. Clear out your hazardous waste room that all of you have out there in that condominium management, residential high-rise, industrial property, commercial property, all that stuff in there. We'll get rid of it for you. Thanks for listening.